Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nisi, the beauty icon. So today I want to show you guys how I achieved this look on this beautiful model. And we're going to start in the back of her head. And we're going to just place those tracks evenly across the nape area, all the way up to the ear. And once we get to the ear, we're going to go around, dip down for that sideburn area. And we're keeping those tracks straight across the head, creating that U-shaped pattern. And here you see me using my razor comb, and I'm strategically taking the sides down, making sure that they're even. And I like to grab the hair up under my fingers so I can gauge how much is coming off, that I'm not overcutting the hair. So again, you know, just trying to carve out those ears, and I'm gonna speed it up here so you guys can get a definite idea of what I'm doing. So once both sides are done, we're gonna go at a diagonal pattern, and then once we even those tracks up, we're gonna close in that middle and create that long length on the top. So once this is complete, we can go ahead and start cutting the hair. So I'm combing here just to make sure that everything is laying systematically smooth. And then I'm going to get my razor comb again, and I'm going to create that guideline that I need to get that actual cut that she desires. So here I'm just connecting the back to the sides, and I'm going to drop it right below the occipital bone in the back when I cut it, and I'm going to bring it back over the ears on the opposite side. Then I'm going to make that side run right into the longer length of the front. So here I'm going in and I'm adding a little definition to that cut. I'm going to create the layers that it needs, the movement, and just give it a little bit more personality so it's not just a blunt cut. So once this part is complete, I'm going to use my T outliner trimmers, and I'm going to go ahead and define that line in the back. And now I can set the hair and put her under the dryer. And once she's dry, we can go ahead and start styling the hair. So you can kind of see that cut from here and how it's laying. And it's falling right into place. So I'm using my 1.5 inch flat irons, and I'm just giving it a nice bump. I don't want the curls too tight. We want almost like a loose look. So I also use my 1/2 inch flat irons for the back part of her hair, just to give it a nice bump in the shorter areas. So now we're going to go ahead and rake it and style this hair accordingly. And you notice as I style, I see a little bit more that can be cut. So I'm going up under the layers that I've previously cut, and I'm going to start thinning it out just a little bit more, and taking some of that bulk out of it so it'll have a little bit more definition in the layers. So I'm going underneath the hair only to make the layers sit up just a little bit more. So guys, I gotta tell you, this is the year you gotta step out of your comfort and do the very thing that you thought you couldn't do. It's a lot of y'all that's living with regrets. I've done it before a time or two, and it doesn't feel good. So I wanted to encourage you guys, if there's anything you've been planning to do that you've been putting on hold, putting off, and think you're not ready, you are ready. Go ahead and go forth. It's your time. It's your season. Don't miss the opportunity. Just try it. And like I said before, it's always better to try and fail than fail to try, because you'll never know what to expect out of you until you push yourself beyond your comfort. So go forth. So as you can see, she is truly pleased with the outcome of this look. And I couldn't wait to post it, guys, and show you guys what it took to get her to this place. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and share. And always remember, Jesus loves you.